This morning we're going to be looking at the C4NPro Rotary system. I'll check out each individual portion of it one piece at a time, and we'll have a good look at it. So we're going to start with the main head right now. Our portion of the rotary is the chuck side. This one's a nice, looks to be about 100mm 4-jaw chuck. 4-jaw is nice instead of 3-jaw. Super heavy. I also have a Chinese rotary for my laser, and I can tell you right now that there's no comparison between this one and that one. The other one that I have has a lot of cast white metal on it instead of solid aluminum. It looks to me that this one, C4NPro, has added their own portions to it. They've got a riser here. They've got a plate on the bottom with alignment keys. Really nice machining, good and heavy. They don't have specs on the stepper right now, but I can get that information. Just by that number right there, I know this is a fairly common stepper. Really easy to find, probably in around the 200 ounce, 250 ounce, somewhere around there, 220, whatever they are. Gear reduction is nice, so that increases your torque and power available. Nice wide belt. It's probably at least a 5/8 wide belt. Not sure, haven't measured it. Anyways, looks like some pretty good quality so far. We shall check out more. As I said, it's got keys in the bottom, and on the ball screw machine, the Pro machine, CNC 4848 BS, it has a piece of extrusion right across the front here, and that is where these keys go in, or come into play. It simply goes in, and they're a tight fit, so just give it a bit of pressure and down it goes, and it is keyed and locked in. There's a bag of screws comes with it in the box. Don't mind the mess here, guys. Bag of screws for actually mounting it down into the track, which I'll take care of that later. I'm just showing it right now. So there you go. It's actually pretty solid in there right now, but I would definitely put the screws in. So once again, quite nice machining involved here. Definitely higher quality than the one on my laser, for sure. Bearings in the live end feel nice and smooth instead of chunky and nasty like the one on my laser. And everything rotates as it should. Not a lot to go wrong with the live end other than maybe the bearings in the actual live end itself. Same base with the guidance keys, and same pressure fit to get them in. And it just slides in the rail just like that. Easily adjustable for length or whatever, wherever you want. One thing to note is I may cut a little bit off the front of my spoil board just for that, although this does have the spring loaded, so you can turn it whichever way you want. But it'd be nice if it didn't hit my spoil board. That's not their fault though, that's mine. The wiring for this has really nice XLR connections, XLR style. And when I got this machine, there was an extra hole right next to where the probe plugs in. So you got the probe, and then we got this plugged hole here. And I always wondered what that was for. I figured, oh, you know, future expansion. Well, let me take this out. So there, the plug is out, and then look at this on the end of the cable. It's a bulkhead fitting. It's going to go right in there. It's going to go right in there. I can't do this one-handed, but you get the point. Nice thinking, guys. Thinking ahead. Cool.